We got a new member of the family. Hello. Oh, hello. This is our Old English Bulldog. Guess what his name is? It's Cobra. Oh. He's a big boy. Look at him. So our other dog is Shelby, and this is Cobra. He's so cute. He's an Old English Bulldog, and what's he, 11 weeks now?
Yep.
10 or 11 weeks? He's so cute.
He has a heart wrinkle.
Look at his little wrinkly.
Little heart right here. Hi, buddy.
Hi. Do you like the daddies?
Only daddy.
Oh, yes. It's my little pups. Oh, yes. So cute. I've got a buddy of mine that him and his wife breed these guys. They're so cute. Bobblehead bulldogs.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, they're so cute. I'll try to put some info in the description, but he's adorable.
A little baby.
Such a good temperament.
Huge
He's
paws.
a good boy. Look at those paws. Holy
Well, your
cow.
hand's huge. So show my hand because your hand's already huge.
It still looks huge in my hand. Look at that. He's so big. And his little heart wrinkle is so cute.
There you go, Billy. You chill.
Say hi. We are getting so close to starting this guy up. So we've got the oil drain for the turbo plumbed. We got the oil feed for the turbo plumbed. I had to cut the alternator a little bit just to get it to fit in here. This bigger turbo is tough to fit right here. At some point I might have to move that alternator, but for now, I mean, it's up against that water neck right there. Little shout out to my automation company. Anyway, so I got oil in it, and now I need to prime it and make sure that we have oil pressure, and then I'm going to crank it around and make sure that the piston to valve clearance is okay with the lifters pumped up. So you guys, I need you guys to watch my oil pressure for me. I'd say that's good. I got to tighten up a few more bolts on some things here, and we're going to be pretty much ready to start this pig. Okay, so we are ready for a test fire, I think. I don't have everything completely buttoned up yet, but I just want to test fire. I want to make sure the engine sounds good. Yeah. Got a couple of vacuum ports here that aren't plugged off. We'll probably have to grab a cap and throw it on those real quick. I don't have the serpentine belt done yet, but I've got everything else plumbed. There's no coolant in it, so it's literally just going to be a test fire. It's got oil in it. I primed it. I made sure we had good oil pressure. So I'm going to get the battery connected and then give it a test fire, see what it does. Probably going to be just as loud, so.
Gotta go where now?
Oh, right around there is good.
Okay. Tell me when.
Go ahead. That's awesome.
It's alive!
It is! It is alive and kicking!
That makes you feel good.
Yeah, it does.
But you ought to open that garage door.
Oh, yeah. Oh,
You
yeah.
don't live to be able to drive it.
Golly!
Feels pretty good, huh?
Got his car started.
Yeah.
Wow.
Tell you what, that's
Wow. Cool.
Now I gotta get coolant in it.
You are a brave sucker running it without any coolant.
I didn't run it very long. Mainly just wanted to make sure the oil pressure was good, and then I got all my
Yeah.
preload set right on the valves.
Gotta hook your plumbing up.
Golly, that makes me happy.
Wow. Cool. So you might be able to go racing.
I think so. We got 4 weeks to go, and I might be able to.
And run. Oh.
But don't run it too.
Back. A little more.
Does her beeping sound good?
Oh, you actually got a horn.
Yeah.
I was gonna say, what is she talking about? Beep thing. Okay, Bob.
All right, here we go.
Gonna
I'm
get
not gonna
loud.
shut the door all the way. Okay, it's gonna be loud. You ready?
Hey, don't honk the horn. Hey.
Are you? All right, that's it.
That's good, Bob.
Are you so happy?
Yes, Mama.
Okay,
Yeah.
one more beat.
And good morning, Sally.
You gotta go give her a little kiss.
Okay, well, stop that line. Morning, Sally.
Aww.
I'm sure she's so happy to see you. Okay, I gotta turn her battery off.
Why?
All right, let's go celebrate.
Yeah.
Daddy needs a Dr. Pepper and Chipotle. Woo! Excited doesn't even explain how I feel right now. I've got a lot of stuff to button up. I was just playing with the coolant system routing. Typically people that run this kit, I've seen their turbos here, alternators here, and everything else is not a problem. For me, trying to run power steering, air conditioning, I had to make this custom belt tensioning setup. There's just a lot left to do. However, she runs. I did have to play with the timing. I had it set wrong initially. I had 2 different marks on my balancer, one for 0 and one for 20, so I'd actually set it 40 degrees advance out the gate and it wouldn't start, but we're getting there. I still need to take the downpipe off, and I'm going to wrap it all the way down because I've got plug wires underneath here. And then I've got some custom AC lines that I had made that I'm going to try to put on. Still got to get a custom power steering line made for that, but you know what? It's getting there. Got just about 30 days left, so, and I ended up buying a lot of parts the other weekend. I went to a swap meet and got a killer deal on some stuff. Need to pay a tribute to Gary. I feel like I robbed an old man, but got this sweet hood for my car. Look at this awesome nitrous spray bar plate. So this is going to bolt right onto the intake manifold I have. Shout out to my brother Gabe. It's his car. I also got, there's a MSD billet distributor in here. Yeah, I'm not going to pull it all out. I also got a set of forged connecting rods. And then also a crankshaft. Dude, I meant out like a bandit. I meant out like a bandit. Alright guys, I gotta go. I got a lot more work to do. I'll keep you guys updated with videos as I can. Try fast. Take chances.